Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can find Nasdaq on MetaTrader 5 PC. So basically, of course, first things first, you want to go ahead and log in your MetaTrader 5 account. From here to simply find the Nasdaq on MetaTrader 5, you can just hit Ctrl U on your keyboard and the symbol watch will then go ahead and show up. Now, you can also find it inside the tools icon, or the view icon. Click on symbols, and from here you then want to simply search for Nasdaq. Now inside you will be able to see the Nasdaq icon. Now you can go ahead and also find this inside the indices, and from here you then have the Nasdaq option. So let's go ahead and choose the right option for our Nasdaq. Click on OK. And right after that, we will then have the ability to go ahead and view the Nasdaq 100 and trade with it on our MetaTrader 5. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.